Built the cabinets, got them painted using Sherwin-Williams Gallery series. Took this stuff over to the client's house. Got the cabinets installed.
Let's lift this bitch.
Built the floating shelves. Yep. There they go. Got them trimmed to size. Now it's time to install these shelves. Got my support screwed in. Made sure everything was straight and level. Got those handles installed on the cabinet doors. All right, there go my bottom shelf support. Hit them studs like Drewski. Check out that clean ass old school. All right, let's get this shelf slid in here. And yeah, we done. Little laundry room glow up.